Assalamu alaikum student. Today's our topic is about plant organ system. Now student, question is that what is the system? System is a group of tissues and organ that perform a specific function. Now plants consist of two organ system: shoot system and root system. Shoot system is an ascending portion of plant. It means it grows upward and above the ground. It consists of stem, leaf, flower and fruit. Whereas the root system is the descending portion of plant. It means it grows downward and under the ground. It consists of primary roots, which give rise to the secondary and tertiary root. First of all, shoot system. Shoot system is an ascending section of a plant. It means it grows upward above the ground. It supports the plant perform photosynthesis and transport saps. Now the second one is the root system. It is the descending portion of plant and it means they grow downward. And the function of root system is to anchor and support of the plant, absorb water and dissolve nutrients from the soil and store food and water. Now student, this is the plant organ system, and in the next class we will discuss about the shoot system and their parts.